Alright, y'all. Time to start this next YouTube series. Let's rewind a little bit. I had all kinds of crazy stuff happen. We've been moving. We've had like the kitchen that we're trying to get set up. We're trying to move the kitchen. We're trying to move our office space, our podcasting space. Everything's just up in the air right now, all while trying to maintain contact with clients, maintain podcasts. It's just been crazy. And there's been so many times where I thought in my head, wow, I really want to start the YouTube series back up, get back to daily vlogging, but it just does not make sense to do so because we're so crazy busy that we've even had a hard time maintaining workouts. Can you believe that? So, I just thought to myself, I'm sure a lot of people always make excuses as to why they can't train or hit their nutrition. Here I am making an excuse as to why I can't do a daily vlog, which is pathetic. And the fact of the matter is, I thrive in chaos. And our life doesn't get much more chaotic than it is right now. I mean, it's just crazy. Like my grandfather passed the other day. The last video y'all saw was that. And I'm trying to like maintain a positive vibe despite all this fact that we're going to go to a funeral on Friday. Like, it's just crazy. It doesn't make sense to do a daily vlog. But at the same time, it makes so much sense to do a daily vlog. So that's what I'm going to do. Plus, we got so many cool things going on right now that I would be a fool not to document this, even if it's like sporadic. Like generally speaking, when I do a daily vlog, I want to have like a system, a rhythm, a pattern, just a way to be very efficient with things. And nothing in our life is efficient right now. But I'm going to just say, screw it. We're going to document the process. Just please forgive me for any lack in fancy editing, YouTube, audio, music overlays. Like, it's just going to be freaking raw footage. Here we go. So, let me talk to you about this new series. Actually, let me rewind a little bit more. Let me show you just a little glimpse as to how crazy our life is right now. First of all, The Office is coming along. You see The Office? It's, I got a new desk. It's starting to come along pretty nicely. Actually, let me just bring my assistant in here. I have an assistant now, y'all. Check this out. Crystal, come here, please.
Did you just clap at me?
I just clapped. I told her I was going to do this clip. She had to laugh. Would you, y'all know Crystal. Crystal, how are you?
Great.
We've been so crazy that we haven't even showered in like 3 days. Like, how bad?
I showered today.
She showered today after like 3. We're bad right now. That's just how crazy it is. So yeah. I'm going to let her grab the camera. We're just going to kind of show you a few things. We'll do like a full-blown walk around of the new place with the upgrades, but just to kind of show you how crazy it is right now. So this is the office, which actually looks pretty good. I actually like the office. Those foam boards aren't permanent, but they're temporary. So in here, we just have a whole bunch of styrofoam and boxes of where the desk was packaged, but yeah, that's Jack. We don't need Jack in the video. All right, check this out, y'all. I'm pretty excited about this. So we're making a podcasting booth so that I can just go full in and have a designated podcasting booth. And I picked up some of this insulation, cellulose insulation board. So I'm putting that down. And on top of that, I'm putting these 2-inch thick foam boards down. So super, super excited about this. But like, you move into a place and you have like the necessities, right? You have like running water, you have like a fridge, a microwave, a shower, you have a fridge. Did I say that? Let me show you what our fridge is. Let me show you what our fridge is. Oh, by the way, here's Crystal's office. This is coming along pretty nicely. So we do have a fridge now. We're borrowing my folks' extra spare fridge, but this was my fridge for quite some time. A 5-gallon bucket, you know? Can't even get it open. You got your ground beef in a 5-gallon bucket. That's how hardcore we are. What about a stove to cook your ground beef on? Let me show you our kitchen, y'all. Let me show you what we got going on here. So y'all have seen this, by the way. Here's the van now. Here's our kitchen. Look at this. This is where we cook our ground beef. We got freaking spider web. Look at that big old spider. That's Bruce. We named him Bruce. We got Bruce in the kitchen. That's what we got going on now. But I say all this to say, let me introduce this next vlog series. I was originally just going to have it focused solely on nutrition, and it was going to be the Savage 6x6. 6 months at 6,000 calories. That's what the series was going to be. And I'm still going to do 6,000 calories. That's just going to be one aspect of it, though. Let me draw you a little diagram here. Got a table now. So, we're going to have the Savage 6x6. The first 6 is going to be 6 months. There's so many YouTube videos out there that are like 30-day challenges, or like not even 30 days, like 21 days. Like I did a 4,000 calorie challenge. But I mean, like 21 days, you can do anything for 21 days. You know, it's just not challenging enough. And 6 months, with 6 months, you have enough time to build habit. They say it takes like 90 days to build a habit. If you double that and you have 6 months, you can build a freaking good habit. So, this next 6, we're going to branch this out into 6 different aspects. One is going to be nutrition. And that is going to entail, I can't talk and spell at the same time, Nutrition. That's going to entail the 6,000 calories. I'm going to do 6 months of 6,000 calories because I'm going to do a bulking series. This is basically a bulking series into a sense. So I'm just going to go super, super, super hyper caloric. I may incorporate like one fasting day a week. I haven't decided yet, but more of that to come. The next phase is going to be training. All right. If I'm going to eat 6,000 calories a day, I need to be training hardcore. I'm going to train. I'm going to go back to my old school roots. Like I'm going to train like a freaking savage. It's just going to be insane. The next is going to be relationships. All right. Relationships are something that I need to work on, and losing my grandfather yesterday, or day before yesterday, really brought that to the forefront of my mind. Like, the relationships in our life is what life is all about. So I need to focus on spending more time with Crystal. We're in Bryant now, so we're not very far from my parents, my grandparents, my other grandparents. So I need to spend time with the people in my life. The next is going to be, wow, I'm losing it. What are my 6? Oh, business. We've got so many exciting things going on right now with Keto Brick, Keto Savage. There's just so many things in the works, and I want to document all of that. I want to document the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, why we're doing what, how we're doing what, how we're scaling up. I think that'd be a cool thing to incorporate into this. All right, so that's 4. What is the next one? What are they, Crystal?
Self.
Yeah, what's the other one?
Self.
Yeah, there's another one.
We're both losing our marbles.
Yeah, we're both. All right, well, we'll start with that one. So the other one is going to be self / skills. All right, and basically what this is it's going to force me to focus on, developing my own skills, like listening to other people's podcasts, reading books, taking some me time to just improve my foundation, my baseline, so that I can be better for you and put out better content because I'm developing me. So that's what that's going to be. And the other one, I remember now, and is mindset. All right, mindset. We're going to talk about, stoicism. This could be stoicism as well, but mindset, meditation. I'm just going to really work on having a more holistic relationship with everything that I'm doing in life, and just the mindset that comes along with that and entails. So that is going to be the next series. Each vlog is going to touch on one of these or all of these 6 topics in some form or fashion. And over the course of this week, since we're going to a funeral on Friday, actually just come on over here. Let me go back into the air conditioning. So, actually, I'll just hold the camera. Say bye, Crystal.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you.
All right, so let me just come back in here to the office. I think better in the office. All right. Here we go. Crooked. So each of these vlog series, each of these videos is going to touch on one or all of those 6 pillars in some form or fashion. It might be like, hey, this is the next thing I'm doing for, broadening my mindset. This is what I'm working on. Or it could be, hey, this is the skill that I want to develop. And it could be totally random. It could be like, freaking archery. I'm gonna learn how to develop a skill around archery. I'm gonna get like a freaking bow and arrow and a target set up in the warehouse and just practice archery for 5 minutes once a day. I don't know, but I'm gonna develop skills, and more often than not, it's probably gonna be nutrition and keto related. But still, I want to develop skills. And then like the nutrition, like I'm gonna bring the Keto Savage Kitchen back into play. I want to bring you along more from like a training aspect. Like these are some new training moves that I'm incorporating and working with. So here's what I'm doing, here's what I'm working with, experimenting on yourself, and I'll kind of walk you through that. And then from a nutritional standpoint, you know, the 6,000 calories, that's going to be, I'm pretty curious to see what's going to happen. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get fat, but yeah. I'm going to get a lot of size and strength too. What I want to do is, since this week we have to drive to Georgia for the funeral, it's just going to be kind of a crazy week. We're still getting things set up here. It's just chaotic. I'm going to have shorter videos, and the rest of this week is going to be spent really kind of diving into each of those topics. Like tomorrow might be nutrition or mindset. I'm going to talk about why I want to do that and kind of like what I'm going to do for that. And then the following Monday is when this series will officially start, and I'll take you along in like the actual, you know, video series. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking now. I think this will be fun. I think it'll be good for me because it gives me constant flow of content, and it forces me to be better. And again, it's just crazy chaotic right now in our lives. Like, it takes time to shoot, think about what I'm going to shoot the footage, edit the footage, publish the footage. Like, that takes time. And that's something I don't really have any of right now. But I'm going to do it anyways because I like the daily vlogs. I love interacting with y'all. I read every single comment. By the way, all the comments that I got on yesterday's video about my grandfather passing, that was just amazing. Like, I got so much support. So thank you. That means the world to me. But yeah, that's the next series. That's what we're going to do. I'm excited about it. Let me know in the comments what you want to see more of, less of, anything and everything. And we'll catch y'all tomorrow.